Morning, friends. Just give me few minutes. I will create a link for posting in social media and then come back here. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes. Good morning, Bharat. Till now, the problem is not fixed for my YouTube, but I have been trying to do our live session. If things work fine, we will have the session fully, or else we will wind off. Okay. So, as of now, it is going good. Seems we are going to the pre-open is going to settle somewhere around 600, 15,600. If that happens, just jump in and buy immediately the 15,700 call. I don't know where it is settling, because we are another 1 minute to have a settlement. Six, 7, 4. Couple of minutes back, it was way below 610, 620. If that was the case, we would have jumped in and immediately bought it. Nothing wrong. We will see to it. And now I will open my commodities stuff. where we can take trades as and when it gives opportunity. Actually speaking, commodities are delivering good returns in recent days when compared to equities. Because equities, we are seeing horrible kind of stuff. All of a sudden, it falls like anything, something like that. Commodities are actually doing better. You might have seen our daily reports also. Every day, at least one call delivers us 5,000 rupees very easily. Beautiful chart setup for natural gas, actually speaking, but the entry should be taken around 674. 674 entry can be taken, but the stop loss is 7 points. 667 will be your stop loss. If you are comfortable with 7 points stop loss, because 7 points is almost 8,750 rupees. This thing. So if you are comfortable taking that risk, then you can go ahead for it, or else just stay calm. Good morning, Ravi. We are trying to do our best through YouTube. Let us see how best it. Having a bit of cough, guys. Actually speaking, gold bees actually we are holding somewhere around 35 units. Let us see where it opens. That's 100 points down exactly. I think by second half today we could see a rally in markets. Maybe first half, to be precise, till 11 we could be having a seesaw kind of stuff, like even 20-30 points up move will get sold into, but post that 11 a.m we could see a rally towards 15,800, and if that is crossed, 15,950 also possible. US markets have been factoring in almost 70 to 75 basis points hike in tomorrow's policy. The only thing markets will fall after the event will be if there is a 100-point basis hike. Or else, on any case, US markets will rally. Probably from today also they could rally. Let's check where US indices are now. 90 points up in Nasdaq, that is 0.81%. CAC, FTSE, DAX, all European markets are in green, minor green. So by second half, until these three are not falling and Nasdaq is not falling, we could see a good rally in second half. Let's see how best we are able to get it. Oops, in the first minute itself we rocketed like anything, right? Anyways, let's see. Yeah, pretty good move. Let's see if this is getting sustained. Mm, yeah. Let's see our charts. Bajaj Finance finally, after 5%, 5.5% down tick yesterday, has surged today. Probably, if all is well, he can do 3% today on the green side. Don't think that he will do 3% on the downside. I'm saying about the 3% on the upside. Yesterday, Nifty futures versus spot was trading on discount, right? Today, it has turned into premium. Let's see whether we are getting any chance. I will turn into my default setup for intraday trades. Okay. Mm, yeah. Just checking. 15750 call option. That's the one which I am checking. So maybe 120 to 130 could be a good buy. Let me post this call first to my premium members. Buy Nifty 7 call around 120. Yeah. Yeah. Somewhere in between 120 to 130 we can buy 15750 call option I'm saying about, with a stop loss below 75. What is the low of yesterday? 674 is the low of today, and yesterday's low is 684. Almost tested yesterday's low and then coming back on the higher side. So there are good chances for us today. Yeah, he is coming down. Our entry has, we have got our entry. Let's see how that goes. Mm, Let's see. Today, Bank Nifty futures open is equal to high. That is, now Nifty is going to break the morning low. I mean, trying to go and break the morning low. Let's see. Yeah, he is coming down, down, down. Almost 106. When open is equal to high, it will happen like this only. Maybe we, as I said earlier, maybe from after 11 o'clock we could see a bounce on the highest. Till that time it will be like this only. Yeah, now there are chances he can move up. Why I am saying is my order has got executed at 100. You very well know I will be very aggressive in my rates. So that's the reason I have put an aggressive rate at 100 rupees. Morning low is broken. Now he is drifting on the downside. Yeah. Uh, 15,666. We have stopped there. Let's see. Post 11, we could see a rally. That is what I am saying from the morning, from the beginning, from the time it has opened. Let's see. This is the reason I suggest you people not to rush to take position. Wait, calm and patient. You will get your opportunities. That is why I used to say people like that. Why? Because uh, I have suggested a position for you at 120, but I have taken the same position at 100 because I have enough patience. I will wait. I will wait until my order is executed. If it is not getting executed, also I will not worry. That is the good part from my end. I will not worry if it is not getting executed. Why? Because I very well know that we will give. We will be given opportunities by market often. I have added couple of stocks in my portfolio, guys. Today, HDFC Bank at 1310, Infosys at 1414, IRCTC at 623. These are all the stocks which I have added. Don't think expect big that I would have added in a huge quantities. That is not the case. I have added very small quantity, just one in each. I fresh SL for DM. Yeah. Look at the way he is surging. Solid 40, 50 points in Nifty spot and almost 100 points, 90 points in Bank Nifty. So in the interim, if you have any questions to get answered, please let me know so that we will try to answer the queries. Stunning move by Bajaj Finance. It went all the way down. I think it went below 5,300, right? Yeah, 5281 is the low. If things go good and the way which I am expecting, I feel Bajaj Finance will do minimum 3% in green today. Minimum 3% in green. That's what I expect. Let's see. Davies, Apollo Hospitals, State Bank, Barclays. Uh, what a move in Infosys from 1400. I think IT Pack is starting the lead. I bought at 1414, guys. It's already up 20 rupees in cash. Pretty good. Mm, Let me see whether I can pick anything stock specific. Kotak looks hot for me. 1760 call, 36 rupees. 1780 call. Yeah, 1780 calls looks good. Mm, it's at 28. Let me post a call for my members by Kotak Bank around 1735, 37. Bajaj Finance, I think he is up 1%, no, half a percent. What is the best one? Tata Motors around 400 is a good buy, very good buy, but we can't figure out some options over there. Let me try to figure out an options. Tata Motors 420 call, 7 rupees. That's a good bet, right? Let me check 415. 410 call. 1425 is the lot size. Let me give 5. Kotak Bank comes down. Nice that Nifty has moved up. As I said earlier, if things go fine, we will see a strong green close by end of the day. That is what I feel. Strong in the sense minimum 70 points on green. That is the thing which I am saying. Minimum 70 points on green. One percent green on Bajaj Finance. Have you believed when I said that he will do something strange today? I don't know how many of you believe, but I believe on my analysis. So guys, if you have any questions, you can please post here. uh, is things going good? Is the screen updating correctly, or is there any lag? I don't see any lag from my side. You can book the call option wherever you want, guys. 70 15 750 call option. Kotak. Kotak. Tata Motors moved 1 rupee up. $10.4 was the low. Actually, our entry was 10.5. 9.5 to 10.5 is our entry. 943. Kotak too has given opportunity. Nifty in verge of turning green. Bank Nifty 0.25%. Nifty futures in fact turned green. Super move, guys. Bank Nifty is about to turn green. 0.1. Guys, today is Tuesday, right? It's Fin Nifty expiry. Yes. How come I missed this? Actually, we could have caught something in the morning itself. 15,400 call, or even 15,300 call. When it dropped, we would have taken it. Bad miss, guys. We could have taken it at lower levels, around 30 as hero or zero. Once Nifty turns, I mean, Bank Nifty turns green, we could see something good happening on the upper side. HDFC Kotak. Mm, somebody has posted a photo. Right? One of our member has posted that he has made some small gains in Nifty 750 call. Whether it is smaller or bigger, that doesn't matter. But profit is profit. No one can deny it, right? VIX about 22.47. That is the reason the up moves are getting, taking a halt. Maybe post sometime it could do better. Satish, we are. I think I missed to give FinNifty 15300 call, but it must have been bought somewhere around 30-35. Since you have bought at 51, you can hold it as hero or zero. I expect markets to close in green today. If that is the situation, your call will also grow. And regarding Bank Nifty 33,300 call, predicting expiry related move today is a big task because a big event is lined up tomorrow. Tomorrow, after our market hours only, we will be able to know what is the percentage of rate hike happened in US markets. So the reaction will be directly on expiry day for us. So I will give the probabilities for you, and you can uh, judge where it can close. Okay, the first probability, everybody is expecting 75 basis points hike from Fed chairman, and markets has also priced in that 75 basis points hike. 70 basis 50 60 to 70 basis points hike, it has already factored. Let's assume it is a 75 basis points hike. Markets will fall initially, but by end of the day, US markets will move on the higher side. That is one probability. And there is a remote chances one or two fund houses have mentioned that it will be a 100 basis points hike. If that is the case, Nasdaq will crack on that particular day and tomorrow, and there will be a definite follow up for us on Thursday. That is the situation. 15,400 is not ruled out in Nifty, and Bank Nifty 32,400 is not ruled out. So that is the thing. But to everyone's surprise, if Powell comes and says that he is willing to, he is raising only 50 basis points, then markets will surge like hell. It will be a 300 to 400 point up move on Nasdaq on that particular day. Tomorrow. Okay. And on the very next day, on expiry day, by morning, Nifty will open 250 points up. Bank Nifty will open 500 points up. This is a remote possibility as of now. But if 50 basis point occurs, this will definitely happen. Now you may correlate the things based on what Powell delivers tomorrow and then decide about the Bank Nifty expire. Nifty future low is 15,666. So what we have given in our morning view, post the morning view, I have mentioned historically Tuesday's low becomes crucial for markets, hence today's low is crucial, and if not broken, we will see a recovery in next 3 days. Even today, if Nifty holds 15,666, we can see a recovery towards 15,900. So as of now, we are holding 15,666. If things go good, 15,900 is a possibility by tomorrow or max by today or max by tomorrow. Also, I have clearly mentioned saying that try a long trade if we see Nifty around 15,800 680 levels, so that you can maintain a stop loss of 50 points. If people are smart enough in understanding this kind of messages, they would have made easily 80 points by now, 100 points by now. Nifty futures is at 15,780 plus. I have a doubt. Even VIX is moving up and Nifty is also moving up. What's your view? One member is asking a query in Telegram, but I would not be able to answer his query through writing now. Let me answer later. Right. Komal. Now everyone will come and say buy, buy, buy. Remember who gave you buy before even market opening? It's we who have given you buy before even market open. Anyways, it's not a thing to say who is good or who is bad, but we predict things in advance. That is what I have said. So if you people have any questions or queries, please feel free to ask. Havel's 1120 call. Havel's 1120 call. Let me check the charts of Havel's first and then update you. Actually speaking, if you see any charts, it will be deep in red. It will not be good. But let's see what has happened. What is the actual? There are some significant support levels which we can easily identify. Yeah. Havel's support is at 1095. If it holds 1095 on closing basis, not on intraday, on closing basis, if it holds, we can see a immediate test of 1136, which is the 10 moving average. Only upon crossing that 1136 mark, we can expect a move towards 20 moving average. As far as other indicators are concerned, super trend shows you a down move, stochastic, MACD, everything shows you down. The only factor which shows you he could climb on the higher side is RSI, which has improved from yesterday to today. So when it comes to RSI, you should not see just one day's change. We should see at least a minimum last 3 days change. So if tomorrow if the RSI improves again, then it could move on the higher side. That is how we can say. Bharti is doing decent, not bad, even though it is not good, but it is not bad also. It is doing something decent. Bank Nifty is about to turn in green. 40, another 30 points move is required to turn in green. But the thing is, spot has not turned green in. I mean, Nifty. It went in green, but just stayed for a couple of seconds and then dropped. So we require spot to turn green rather than Nifty futures, because it was because of the discount factor changing into premium. Futures has turned green, or else futures will also be in red. But the thing is, if these things, spot turns green and sustains for a couple of minutes, then we can see a good recovery. I have already given you the timeline. Timeline is 11. After 11, we could see a recovery. That's what I feel. But markets are masters. They know what to do, what they need to do, and when they need to do. Let's not get too much excited today. Let's wait and see how it's going. Once again, we are dropping a bit. Probably we can come touch this VWAP line and then climb again. That could happen. There are chances. So now natural gas, where it is. Natural gas. As I said earlier, 673 could be a good entry. As of now, we haven't got that levels. Natural gas, copper. Oh. So as of now, we are not facing any challenges in the video, right? YouTube live session. There is no latency, there is no voice breakage kind of stuff, right? Uh, Nearly 1 hour has passed. Let's see things go good for another 1 hour also, so that we can have a good session, end up with a good session today. What else? Yeah, 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 Come on. What is the target which we have given for Apollo hospitals? Can someone 125 was the target given. It has made a high of 123 actually. Nifty futures alone is turned green, and it is staying above in the green. That is purely because of the discount factor, discount turned premium factor. Uh, at times, chart is not refreshing. A slight pause. It was what I observed. Actually, the issue is not fixed yet, bro. That is the problem. The thing is, I need to uninstall the software from my system, and then I need to reinstall it again. This I can do it, but the thing is, after that, I need to do some settings through which the live session could be done. But I am not aware of what are all the settings to be done. That is the stuff. Why this Bajaj Finance alone is falling? He must move on the higher side. Not sure why it is moving on the opposite direction. Let's see. slowly Tamo, Kotak, both are picking up. Not very with very aggression. It's going slow. But anyways, even if it goes slow, that's fine. We are on the right direction. Uh, Let us see if we are picking up. All I need is Nifty to come into green, I mean spot, and stay above for maybe 15 minutes. That is enough. 15 minutes, if it stays, then it will be very good. Yes, finally Nifty spot has turned green. Now if he sustains for 15 minutes, then it will be good. Same way, once Bank Nifty turns green, that's more good. Guys, remember Apollo Hospital's 3800 call. I think we have discussed in our last week YouTube session. I mean on Friday, I guess. I have given you that call along with like um, saying a reason that COVID cases are rising across India. So there are good chances this stock will have a good bounce. That was the reason I gave. It has delivered superb returns, guys. The suggested entry was at 85 on that particular day. Intraday on that day itself, it made a high of 109. Yesterday he went way below 75. I mean around 75, I guess. Today morning he went to 83, which means all the days he has given opportunities. Now finally he has come back to 126. I don't know how many people have taken it or how many people have holded it or whatever it may be. But if you have taken, that would have been a good call. Nifty is trying to manage above in green. Let's see how Bank Nifty twists the table. If he also turns before 11, then it will be pretty good, actually speaking. Bank Nifty 550, 593 trades, 755, 55. Having a very bad throat, guys. Little bad throat. I don't know why this problem comes to me often. At least once in 2 months, I'm getting this problem. Done enough medications, but still. It's 50 plus. Bank Nifty spot turned green and hovering between green and red for a couple of minutes. Let's see whether he turns green comfortably. Guys, the minimum target which I have set is minimum upside which I have set, which I have expected today is 70 points in green. That was the minimum upside which I am expecting today. Already we are 40 plus in green. Let's see whether we can do something better. Guys, any questions from your side? Please feel free to post. ஆமா. Nifty is holding. Well, it's Nifty, Bank Nifty, Spot, Futures both turned green. But the thing is, Bank Nifty is yo-yoing here and there, up down kind of stuff. Tamo 410 call. I think we have discussed around 10.5, now at 30. There are many people crying today saying that buy 15,800 put. Two other members from other groups have said that. I don't know why they feel that market is about to turn and go down. Has Bank Nifty started firing? It's 0.25% green. Yeah, Nifty is also turned comfortably in green. Kotak moves 10 points from the place which has been suggested. See, everything has gone in favor of us. Yes. Geo, we have discussed a couple of stocks since today morning in our session. Everything has gone in favor of us. So it's you who have to decide where to exit and when to exit. Okay. So don't rely on me for any kind of updates. Yeah. Somehow we managed to make good profits. The time is nearing 11 and the move has started slowly, maybe an hour back. Post one update for my members. Bank Nifty stays above 35,500 in futures. If Bank Nifty crosses 35,500 in spot, that will be a little bit good. Amma. What happens over here? Commodities. Yes, we got opportunity. 672. Stop was 667. What are we seeing here? Aluminium, copper, uh, NG turns a bit down, but you can hold as long as our stop loss holds. If stop loss is taken out, then we can try it out, exiting, or else we can hold. Crude is also having a good setup for long, but we need not take any risk right now. Let's wait for some time and see how it progresses and then take a decision. What happened to others? L&T, L&T actually made a high of 34, then dropped. 5414. Nifty expiry moves will come only in the last hour, so we are supposed to wait for it. Yes, 2021. Oh, wow, wow, wow. both comfortably in green Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Uh, guys, think we don't have any queries or questions now in our YouTube. If this is the situation, we can wind up the session by 11 o'clock. Friends, the request which I have for you people is the one which I usually say. If you feel that our YouTube live sessions help, please do forward it to your friends and make them also join. Let them also get benefited out of it. Bajaj Finance 1.5% up. What did I said in the morning? Minimum 3% in the green is what which I am expecting in Bajaj Finance. I have also given the reasons for you, that is Fin Nifty expiry and extremely oversold stock. So that's the reason I have suggested. Anyways, let's see how it goes. There are people in few groups where I see they are crying saying buy put. I don't know why. According to me, I feel like market will move up only, not on the downside. We have up move and then it will fall from there. That could happen, but there will not be a fall now. That is what I feel. Uh, what is the high of Bank Nifty? 556.90. So we need to wait for some more time for a breakout. That's getting broken. I think we will move another maybe 100 points from there. 33,556.90, maybe 33,557. From there we could move another 100 points. 33,500 call, sorry, 35,000 caller. We are in the green. How much points did we move, actually speaking? So 74 plus 24 points, 26 points here, and then 18 points. 44 points we have moved till 44 points. Right. So we don't have any queries. It's 11. We will wind off today's session. We'll try to catch up tomorrow. If things go fine, we will continue. Have a good day, friends. See you all. Bye for now.